Stop cleaning your MAF sensor like this, because what you think is maintenance might actually be slowly killing your engine. Every year, thousands of car owners clean their mass airflow sensor trying to fix rough idle, bad mileage, or check engine lights, and while cleaning the MAF sensor can help, doing it the wrong way can cause more damage than the original problem ever did. Today, I'm going to explain the biggest mistake people make when cleaning their MAF sensor, why it's so dangerous, real stories from drivers who learned the hard way, and the only safe way to deal with this sensor. If you've ever cleaned your MAF sensor before, or you're thinking about doing it, you need to hear this. Let's start with what the MAF sensor actually does. The mass airflow sensor measures how much air is entering your engine, so the car's computer can calculate the correct amount of fuel. If the reading is wrong, the air-fuel mixture becomes unbalanced. That leads to rough idle, hesitation, poor fuel economy, and in some cases long-term engine damage. Because of this, many people go online, watch a quick video and think, I'll just clean it myself. That's where the problem starts. One of the most common mistakes, honestly, is touching the sensor with your fingers, a cloth, or even a cotton swab. Inside the MAF sensor, there are these extremely delicate elements. Sometimes they're actually thinner than a human hair. Even just a light touch can damage them permanently. So, a Reddit user shared that they gently wiped their MAF sensor with a microfiber cloth. The car, well, it ran worse immediately afterward. The result? A brand new MAF sensor costing over $300, and all because of one gentle wipe. Another mistake is using the wrong cleaner. Brake cleaner, carb cleaner, throttle body cleaner. These are not safe for MAF sensors. They can leave residues or contain harsh chemicals that destroy the sensor coating. So, one driver wrote that after spraying brake cleaner on their MAF sensor, the check engine light came on within minutes. The car started stalling, fuel consumption went up, and honestly, the sensor was completely dead within just a few days. Then there's compressed air. This one actually surprises a lot of people. Blowing compressed air directly onto the sensor can, snap or dislodge the internal components. It might look clean afterward, but the readings will be wrong, and your engine will suffer silently. And here's, honestly, the most dangerous mistake of all: cleaning a MAF sensor that doesn't actually need cleaning. Many drivability issues blamed on the MAF sensor are actually caused by vacuum leaks, dirty throttle bodies, bad spark plugs, or even failing oxygen sensors. Cleaning a perfectly fine MAF sensor just introduces risk for no real reason. So, what actually happens when you damage a MAF sensor? Well, your engine starts running lean or rich. Running lean increases combustion temperatures, which can, over time, damage valves and pistons. Running rich washes oil off the cylinder walls, increasing wear and carbon buildup. Neither is good, honestly. Both shorten engine life. You know, the scary part is that this damage doesn't happen instantly. The car may still drive okay, while internal wear slowly increases. It's like a silent problem lurking beneath the surface. Alright, now let's talk about the right approach. First, only clean a MAF sensor if there is a confirmed issue or visible contamination. Don't go cleaning it just because you saw it on social media. It's important to be sure there's a real need. And second, only use a cleaner specifically labeled MAF sensor cleaner, nothing else, ever. It's crucial to stick to the right products to avoid unnecessary damage. Third, never touch the sensor elements. No wiping, no brushing, no swabs. Fourth, remove the sensor, carefully spray it gently from a safe distance and let it air dry completely. Do not shake it, do not use heat, do not rush the process. And finally, reinstall it carefully and clear any codes if needed. Alright folks, here's the truth most videos don't tell you. Many MAF sensors don't need cleaning at all. You see, modern sensors are designed to last for years without any intervention. In fact, unnecessary cleaning causes more failures than dirt ever does. Now, think of the MAF sensor like a precision medical instrument, not just a dirty metal part. Treat it with respect, or you might find yourself replacing it sooner than you planned. If you've ever cleaned your MAF sensor the wrong way, don't panic. Just pay attention to symptoms like rough idle, hesitation, or poor mileage. Catching a failing sensor early can prevent bigger problems. If this video saved you from making a costly mistake, imagine what else you could avoid by staying informed. This channel is about real car knowledge, the kind that saves engines, money, and stress. So, hit the subscribe button right now, not later, right now, because one small mistake can cost thousands, and the right information at the right time makes all the difference. Comment below, have you ever cleaned your MAF sensor, and what method did you use?